are here today with another video. I am here at Ace Hardware. It's been a rough day already. It is 11:55, one of my angel numbers, so my reminder to calm down and censor myself. But it's been a day already, child. Today is the day that we were going to go get all the seeds for our fall garden. It was supposed to be like a family thing, but Aaron got called into work last minute, so I had to dip off real quick while he gets his stuff together and all of that. So I'm doing it by myself, and I done ran out the house and forgot my list of plants my list of seeds that I was gonna get. So there's that. I really hate shit like that. I hate that because I really did a lot of research and like wrote out all my stuff just for me to forget it. So I'm just gonna go in here and try to see what I can remember. It's not the end of the world. I can always come back out, I guess, but I don't want to. So we're gonna go on Ace Hardware, see what I can remember to get, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's get to it. Change of plans, y'all. Ace didn't have no seeds. So now I'm gonna go to my other place. I was gonna go there first, but Ace is a little bit closer to my house, so now we're just gonna go to my other place, which I may end up going back home and getting the kids because now time is just like, it's just one of them days, y'all. It's Venus retrograde. It's Venus retrograde. And I think something else happened today. Today's the 8th. Something else, some type of other energetic shift happened today, and it's taking me by storm. All right, so I'll catch up with y'all once I decide which move I'm about to make. Okay, we are at our local garden and plant store, and we do have some seed starter. Okay, so let's try to go off the memory trail. That's cucumbers. Okay, so I see they have some Brussels sprouts. Ooh, $2.19. What? Summer squash. We're not gonna get that. We're gonna do some cilantro. We're back at home, and I'm about to get started. I'm in my garage, so excuse my scenery, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got to get started. Starting my seeds, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the gardening store. Ooh. If you hear some chirping, it's because we have 2 new chickens. We've had them for about a week now, and they are in their smaller area until they're old enough to go with the older chickens. And they actually make a lot of noise, so please excuse them. Okay, so I ordered this kit from Amazon. It's a seed starting kit, and it came with these trays. It was $20. So it came with these, which is where you put your seeds in. This is the trays that it sits in. I guess to catch the water when you water them. And then it came with these lids that you put on top, because from my understanding, seeds need, in order to get started, they don't necessarily need light, but they need humidity and moisture. So it's good to put a top on them. And it also came with these little things to plug the top. I already put one on this one. And I guess this just helps you to control the air and moisture flow. You can turn them to where they match up with the holes and you can get fresh air through there, or you can close them to where it's completely closed off. It also came with these things. I'm actually not sure what this is. I might need to go on the link and see what this is, but every video that I've watched starting seeds, nobody used anything like this, so I don't know. And then it came with these little tags, so you can put the tags of which seeds you're planting. And then I got these seeds from the garden store. So I got some kale, some cucumber, some Brussels sprouts, some chives, some lettuce, finally, some green beans, some onion, and some cilantro. Would y'all believe that I still can't find the list of everything that I was gonna plant? I can't find it. So I know I'm gonna add some potatoes to the fall garden. I forgot what else. I'm gonna have to go back to some of my videos that I watched and write some more stuff down. But I think this is a good mix. This is a lot of the stuff that we use in our regular diet. And then I also got this organic seed starter potting mix for organic gardening. So, first time doing this. Don't really know. I mean, I watched videos, but we'll see. Hope I'm doing it right. I'm gonna get everything set up and then I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna put the camera on what I'm doing. Oops. From what I read or what I watched, I have done seeds before, and I actually have a video of it where me and Aya planted some seeds. It's up here on my channel, but we messed up with that by planting the seeds way too deep in the soil, and I started them outside. It was just like the middle of summer. I don't even know what I planted. I think it was herbs, like a mixture of herbs. And they weren't getting enough moisture, water. The sun was drying them out. It was just, I didn't know what I was doing. So this time, hopefully everything turns out much better. Alrighty, let me put the camera on what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Okay, quick update. Just doing a little searching on Google, and I don't think, and also based off of what the package says on the back, I don't think that this onion will be quite ready yet. On the back of this package, it says December through April is the best time to start these. I didn't look at this at the store. I had them kids with me, child. I was just trying to get out of there. But I might save these for a little bit later, I guess. These pole beans are more of a spring crop. Stating on the back, best to plant these April through July. So those are gonna be saved for next spring. And this cucumber, I had read that cucumbers were notification. I had read that cucumbers were okay to plant in the fall, but this thing says March through July, so that is a spring and summer crop. Don't think that's gonna do that great in the fall. So these three things I'm gonna hold off on. I'm just gonna do the Brussels sprouts, the cilantro, the chives, lettuce, and kale. And then I'll add more as I find out about more. All right. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm watering all of the soil in the seed tray. The seed packet said to moisten the soil first before planting the seeds. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my seeds to the tray. So the packet said to put 2 to 3 seeds in each little compartment. So I'm trying my best to just put 3 seeds in each. Sometimes I did get a little bit more than 3 seeds, but however it grows, it grows. I'm guessing that you put more than 1 seed so that it has a better opportunity of germinating. So after I put the seeds into each compartment, I come back over it and sprinkle it with dirt or soil, I'm sorry. And I did this method based on some YouTube videos that I watched. The video that I watched talked about how when seeds are naturally germinated, they aren't planted deep into the ground, they're scattered, and then they, the wind may blow them or an animal may, transport it to another part of the ground, and it's not planted when it does that. So you want to kind of mimic nature as much as possible and just kind of leave them on the surface and lightly dust some soil on top of it. Once I label that row, then I just move on to the next rows, doing the same method all the way across. So I am finished. As y'all can see, I wasted a whole bunch of these things thinking that I needed to label each one. And I quickly ran out. So what I ended up doing was just keeping the end one. So I did the whole row of each thing. So this whole row is Brussels sprouts, this whole row is kale, this whole row is lettuce, the whole row is cilantro, and then chives in the back. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put this top over it I'm gonna close it. I think. And I'll just keep that like that. And I just put my extra stuff at the bottom, my seed starter, and the extra trays and stuff down there. So I'm gonna just keep it a buck with y'all, which I've already said, but I'm just gonna keep it all the way funky with y'all. That I really don't know what I'm doing for real. I've read, I've watched videos, researched, and this is what I came up with from all of that. But I really don't know what I'm doing for real. This is first generation, and I only say first generation. Actually, let me not even say first generation gardening, because my grandmother owned a farm, huge farm. My daddy grew up on a farm. She knew gardening like the back of her hand. However, that information got lost. She passed when I was younger. So I didn't get that information for real. It's in my blood, it's in my DNA, it's in my spirit. It's in my lineage. But I'm having to find the information spiritually. I'm having to intuitively follow the path that she is laying out for me, as opposed to being able to call her up and be like, hey, how do I do this? What do I do? You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of hard, a little bit frustrating sometimes, but hey, this is how we doing it. So hopefully this produces some seedlings, and hopefully these crops work in the fall. From my research, they do, but I just don't know. It's kind of hard, because it's just kind of hard. I'm not gonna keep rambling, but we gonna see. So when they start seedling, or if they don't, I'll come back and let y'all know. Hopefully y'all can hear me. But that wraps up this video. I hope that you enjoyed my little seed journey video real quick. I will see y'all on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed.